Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thank you for stopping by. Mediocre Trader here, and in this video I want to talk to you about LUNR. Why LUNR, do you ask? Well, LUNR is a high volatility play, and in my inner circle we've been talking about LUNR for well over a month, and I think that I should come out and tell you guys what I think about it. So with that, let's get into the video. Okay, let's get started. All right, so the reason I left AMC is because the volatility of the stock kind of started falling off, and it's not very good for trading at the moment. All right, and I know a lot of you don't like the fact that I trade, but that is what I do. I trade. So I had to find other plays that are going to make me the return on investment that I'm looking for. And so there were others in my inner circle who were trading LUNR and doing very well. So they asked me to look at it. I wasn't big into the space stuff. A lot of them will tell you. And I started to do my own research into it with help from my inner circle to figure out what they seen in it and why I wanted to look at it. Like, what would be the reasons for me to get into it? And so I did some research on it. In Intuitive Machines, LUNR, they have a moon lander called Odysseus, and that lander has a mission coming up. It was scheduled for January 2025. It got pushed back to February 2025. The IM-2's mission's primary payload is Prime 1, which includes a drill and a mass spectrometer to analyze the presence and amount of water ice on the moon. The lander, named Odysseus, will also carry a drone called the Micronova Hooper, which will use a neutron spectrometer to measure hydrogen in the permanently shadowed region of Marston Crater. With the launch scheduled for February of 2025, it makes me believe that the hype is going to start to come into the play, and there's a chance for volatility to push the price up, which in turn I could capitalize on. That's my thoughts on the LUNR play in a nutshell. And that's pretty much what I'm looking at. Just so you all know, thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. And with that, I'll see you in the next video.